community may look blighted today on the surface, we know as longtime residents deep down below the debris and urban decay, there still is a wonderful community waiting to be revived, to be restored, to be brought back as a great place to live, work, and play. And I'd like to thank our partners for helping us to start the journey back home to a better future.
My earliest memories of East Parkside was in 1947, and it was a beautiful area. It was vibrant. We had lots of stores. We didn't have to leave our area to buy anything. And at that time, our schools were good.
We are in a blighted area with over 36% vacancy rate. We have a 52% unemployment rate, 33% poverty rate. We needed a solution. And for us, reaching out for that solution, we found that the triple bottom line through BASF, the way they've integrated their high performance products, they actually help us achieve the goal that we need. And those needs went well beyond just building a building. Anyone can build a building. We needed to make sure that we could build a building in such a way that it preserved the existing residents, that it was high performance, and that it also made economic sense. But we also believe, as keepers of the park, that the environment has to benefit as well. To us, that's the triple bottom line. It has to make social sense, it has to make economic sense, and it has to make environmental sense.
BASF's involvement in the East Parkside Revitalization Project is twofold. For example, the builders in East Parkside are using innovative BASF-enhanced products to improve the energy efficiency and durability of walls, windows, interior and exterior finishes, heating and ventilation systems, roofing, and concrete for infrastructure. When integrated into the design process from the start, these technologies work in tandem to create a building that is less costly to operate, easier to maintain, and even more quiet. Second, we're creating a template for urban renewal that will prove that building better is good business for everyone involved. Done well, sustainable construction has the potential to increase profit margins for the builder, safeguard long-term investments for the owner, and help to create healthier living spaces for everyone.
It's so great to be able to bring our commitment to community rebuilding together with a community that is in its own way revitalizing itself under a new model. And we're very proud to be able to use technology that really helps advance affordability to a new level, guarantee that our homeowners have long-term durable homes, highly energy efficient homes, and in a community that's really going in a positive direction.
We were impressed as a church that the community residents and BASF were in partnership with this big company that would come into our community and make a difference in our community. Just blew the congregation away. It gave us hope.
I'm seeing houses being renovated, old mess being torn down, people walking around say, okay, my neighborhood is not going to be bad after all. I can stay here or I can come back home.
We do have a vision for our area, and we want to see it vibrant and thriving again.
We just want a decent and nice and safe place for our children and our grandchildren to grow up in.
Over the last 2 years, BASF's met with municipalities, architects, and major builders, educating them on how our high-performance construction technologies can benefit their projects. We've had so much interest, we're now coordinating skills training to create high-performance construction teams to recreate what we've done in Philadelphia elsewhere.
What people thought couldn't happen is happening now. So the train is rolling now, people trying to jump on.
We're taking on projects like East Parkside to demonstrate how BASF construction technologies provide the best path for revitalizing entire communities and that it can be done anywhere. There's no doubt that it's the future for construction. Fortunately, BASF makes these technologies available today.